Welcome everybody. Thank you for your attention. We are in the lesson of Coaching Smart. Our lesson today is Operation Research. In Operation Research, these are the areas we need to cover. 1, we'll do the introduction as far as Operation Research is concerned. 2, linear programming. 3, transportation. Assignment. Networking analysis. Queuing theory. And finally, game theory. Operation Research Introduction. Now, what is operation? Operation means procedures or processes undertaking particular activities which can be production, management, marketing, financial, and personnel management. Research means study, investigate, examine, or make inquiries about some operation in trading or non-trading organization for a given period of time. When you marry the two words, we get operation research. Operation research is a discipline that provides inside information about the operation with aim to attain the objective of business over a given period of time. So in operation research, we study the allocation of resources, the assignment of resources, the maximization and the minimization of resources over a given period of time. What are the significance of operation research? 1, to research and development. Another significance is to production management, to personnel management, to marketing management, to financial management, and to directing authority, giving direction as far as decision making is concerned. Now, our first area of coverage will be linear programming. Now, what is linear programming? There are two words here in linear programming. 1, linear means that all the relations in a problem are linear. There is a relationship among the problems that you are bringing forth. 2, programming refers to the process of determining a particular program or a plan of action. So if you want to take an action, you need to program. So when you marry the two words, linear programming is the method of determining an optimum program of interdependent activities in view of available resources. One thing you need to know is that the resources are scarce. Men are scarce. Materials are scarce. Management is actually scarce. So these are the resources which requires minimization or optimization. Now in linear programming, the concept was put forward by George Dassin in 1947 when he published the first paper on simplex method. The objective is to optimize total profit or total cost using the limited resources subject to various restrictions. So in linear programming, we're just doing optimization. You either optimize the total profit or total cost based on the limited resources which you have been given. And as we have said, the resources are men, material, money, and time. Uses. How do you use linear programming? 1, in production management, when producing goods, determining the location of production, determining the location of warehouse, determining the location of marketing. 2. Marketing management, getting the best model of marketing your product. 3. Financial management, determining the best source of financing your business or operation. 4. Sales management, how will you sell your products? Where the salesman will go, at what time. All is based on linear programming. Personnel management, in time of hiring and firing, you need linear programming. Getting the right people for the right job is the work of linear programming. Application of linear programming. Number 1, in product mix. To get the best production, you need linear programming. In production smoothing. Production smoothing means you mix the products and get the best results. Media selection, getting the best media which will reach out or inform people about your product. There are different media which can be used in marketing your product. Traveling of salesmen, when you are actually doing resource allocation as far as your salesmen are concerned, you need linear programming. Capital investment, when you are doing your investment, you need linear programming. Transportation, when you are transporting your product from one point to another, from the production to consumption, you need linear programming. Assignment, when assigning jobs to different people and different individuals, you need linear programming. Blending, you need linear programming. Communication industry, they require linear programming. Staffing problem requires linear programming. So these are areas which we can apply linear programming. Basic assumptions of linear programming. Number 1 is condition of certainty. Linear programming, we must have certainty. The equation that you're handling must have certainty. You must know. Moving from no to no, not unknown to unknown. It's no and no. 2, linearity. There must be a relationship between your problem and the other problem. In fact, in linearity, you're developing a model showing 2 different variables, the dependent one and the independent one. So there should be a relationship between the 2 problems, the output and the input. 2, divisibility. You must have the ability to divide your problem. 3, additivity. You must have the assumption that when you add the problem, the summation of your problem, the products or the resources that you are using, the raw materials that you are using, when you add all the raw materials, will give you the best production. Fitness. Finiteness means the numbers, the equation that you're working out must have numbering. Your numbers must be evaluated. You must feature your problem in terms of numbers. Then optimality. Get the best solution. Optimality can be in 2 ways. Either you're minimizing your problem or you're maximizing your problem.